Can you be English?
Ayan na, ayaw mag-video. Try ko na mag-uyag na ako mag-video. Try ko na mag-uyag.
Okay. Let's play now. Okay, cry baby. Wait, I unfriend you because you're so annoying. Just type your.
Am I? What? Am I?
Just type your.
Gosh, you're so annoying.
Like. Well.
Whoop. I can't
Whoopee,
have
whoopee, whoopee, pee, whoopee, poopee, pee.
Niga. Niga.
Why did you change it?
I didn't.
What on earth is this? Hey, what on earth is that?
What?
Oh.
I mean, it has 3 Robux.
Bobak?
Yes, Bobak. Bobak. Bobak.
Bobak. Bobak.
Yes. I don't wanna go to school.
Yep.
Yeah.
Wait, what? I got a friend named Brip Black. Ow!
Brip. Brip black.
Brip Black.
Kasi kumaka mo brip black. Brip black.
It's the India we're joy, India we're joy. What on earth is this? What the?
Oh, I'm a bully. I'm a bully.
Oh my God! Oh the.
No, bully. Angel boy? What? Oh, hello, I'm an angel. I'm an angel. I'm an angel. I'm your guardian angel. No one will touch. Super rich boy. What? Are you seeing this? Why is my shirt like this? I'm taking something.
Wait. Wait.
Now I'm little.
You're a little girl with. What on earth?
With no hair. I'm
What?
so happy with no hair.
What on earth?
What?
Hey, yo!
Hey, I can see my avatar.
Okay. Can we dress competition? Hey brother, can we do a competition who got best avatar?
No, I don't want to.
Me want to.
Yeah, because you want it, but I don't want.
Okay, what on earth is this?
I got no Robux. This is my face.
It's Mike. Oh gosh, please. What? Like you. Oof. No.
Look at my avatar. I'm so toxic. So toxic. Anyone dirty. Someone dirty. So toxic. See this? I'm toxicity man.
Okay, is that good? Guys,
But I'm way too short.
your shirt, like you. What the big, big. Wait, help me. Help me. Your face. What did you say in the light?
Hey, this is my work. This is my work.
What on earth is that boy?
Like a drip boy. He can run so fast. Even if I'm
That
fast.
boy was watching me.
He can run.
That boy was watching me. Boy.
Here. No, I don't care.
About you. I don't care about you. What?
Nobody asked.
About you.
Maybe go to
I
the
hate.
bank. I'll save some money and here. Here, put my $5. Wait, no. It's a bridge. Ruby card. Check.
Boy. Okay. Same button.
What? Nico boy. Here. And the prince. What is it? What is it? Is this avocado? What the?
What on earth is that bacon? What on earth is that bacon?
Okay, let's go. Should we?
What is this boy AFK?
Wait, I'm standing still. No. Wait, am I getting disconnected right now, bro? Yep, I did. Did you get disconnected? You so lucky. Where are you?
Hey, this is me.
Oh,
Wait, I'm gonna change your hair.
I'm going to get protected.
Hey, bring some item.
Fine, I'm bringing some items.
Just don't bring some toys. It will not help you. I want to bring my sword. And and this one. And flashlight.
I'm bringing this.
Bring some food too.
Okay.
I love the and drink. Oh, that boy just leave.
I'm bringing some strawberries, maybe. This. Okay, let's go.
Wait,
Go. Wait, stay here.
wait, I'm gonna go to get this Ghostbusters.
we're here.
You mean toxic effect?
Yes, it's radiation.
Hey!
Wait,
Okay, we're here.
radiation.
Tut, 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 tut.
Radio.
Boing.
Yan ano ba ito? Tawag sa toxic effect?
Wait.
Cemento?
It's called... Wait. I'm gonna draw.
Ano nga ni?
Wait. It means he got toxic effect like that. It's green. Wait, why is this one is beeping?
Radiation? Ano ba ito tawag? Sa cemento toxic effect.
Ivy green effect? I don't know!
Radiation?
Red.
Radioactive.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go.
Wait, I'm so laggy.
Wait, you need to turn off the lights. So
Yeah.
the spirit will come out.
Yeah.
Come on, let's turn off the lights.
Bring a flashlight. Because I need this Ghostbuster. Oh, wait, look at that. We're all just updated. Where are you?
Oh no, I just set. Oh no, wait.
What? Look at this one. Go to the upload. There.
Oh, they just updated it. That's so cool.
Yeah.
Cool. I didn't know about
Wait,
this. It's so cool. Like we can all practice like standing up.
What? 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 Oh, it's in the other side. It's over in here.
What? Oh, I thought it was this one that works.
It's over there.
What? Oh my god.
Oh wait, look at this one. Oh, this ceiling floor. Okay, let's continue. What on earth did I just see over there?
So it can make me scary. I'm gonna turn off.
Can you bring a flashlight?
Yes, I can.
Okay. They'll bring this.
Okay.
Let's wait until night.
Okay.
Wait, what? Who put this one plus one on this? You're of great places. Come,
Bed.
come here.
Oh, nabasa na ito. Dati pa ganito. Okay, I think this is it. Come on, let's go.
Where?
Come on.
Where are you?
I'm here. I'm right behind you. So no ghost can touch me.
Okay. Let's wait until.
Birikis! Birikis na sa babaw ito. Birikis. Okay, let's go in. Okay, let's go in.
Why is this toilet beeping so much? Whoa! Whoa! Get up!
Check the boys. Check the boys.
Wait! You leave the light was on off. Wait, I'm gonna.
I thought I just saw someone here. It was not here. I think I saw someone there. Oh no, then I
Wait! Wait! Wait in your car! And I saw the girl's bathroom was lighting and offing the light.
And I just saw something there, and the lights just went off.
Yeah, and I saw the toilet was beeping and I saw the light was beeping, off and on. Okay, mag-leave ka na. Oh my God, you're Keep this.
Okay, let's do this. Okay, I get this.
Let's wait until night.
Okay.
Oh, someone just got banned.
So
Let's get a house first until it's 12.
okay, I'll get a house for hackers because I'm so toxic.
What on earth is this house? Buy this house.
What house?
That house.
Okay.
me. Hey. What? I'm not go inside.
Ooh, it's cool. It's
Oh wait, it's the answer one. I'm outside. I just can't enter over there. Ooh!
cool. They really made Brookhaven so much better. No
Yeah.
one's hacking something.
Black Sword is much better than Brookhaven. Ooh, there's an item! Bro! I just... What? Hey! Keep on. Ooh.
Ooh, you can go down. Just keep pressing it.
Move!
Woo! You? Stop jumping. You?
No. Wait, what? I can see the hole over there.
Wait, no.
Hey, yeah, you're pooping.
No, I'm not. I'm just trying to pick it. Whoa! Whoa! What?
You are my sunshine.
Whoa! Hello, I'm back.
Upstairs! Wait! Wait, what the? Come to here. Come to the black platform.
Here. I already know it.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, I'm here. Come on, let's go.
Look at this.
Where?
We can look whatever you are. What on earth? This house is so epic. 9 out of 10. Whoa! Wow! To the bedroom! This is so cool! And look at this. Oh, wait, my screen. Look at this. Wait, where's the save? This is better be so hard to find the save. Okay.
Wait, you can walk through the TV? Look at this. Where are you?
I'm here.
See, I can
up.
walk through the TV.
Don't come upstairs.
Why?
Just wait.
You're recording this, bro. I'm recording it too. Bye.
What the?
I'm leaving you upstairs. Oh, mom. Bilong. Bilong. Okay, I'm outside.
Wait, just wait for me. Because I'm changing my avatar. What on earth is this?
Kaya pa kanila, wala man nahulog dito kapag karakos, manahulog at laban ka, manahulog.
Bro, why did you close? Why are you closing this? Hey.
Pero night time, and I just ruin everything.
Wait, I'm almost finished. Cheeks.
This place, definitely a 10 out of 10.
Yep.
I'm closing this to the zombie apocalypse. And the zombie apocalypse up there.
Yeah.
So, let's go see. What ya doing?
Hey! What is this? What is this?
Super wet boy. What is this avatar? we're gonna roleplay. Hello, I'm gonna use this avatar. Come on, let's go down. Let's go
Wait.
down, come on.
Wait.
Come on, I'm leaving behind, bro. It's so slow.
Okay, I finished.
Wait, I'm going.
Wheel. Where?
Ah! Why is it going so slow? Whoa!
Whoa, I'm in the secret.
You're in this secret.
I'm the safe.
Where?
It's by this.
Where? What?
I'm here. I'm
Where?
stuck.
Where?
I'm stuck. Help. Don't come here. I'm stuck.
Where is it? Just tell me. I'll help you.
It's over here. With this tool.
Oh, okay. It's this one. Oh, you mean by underground here? Oh, you're underground. I see you.
Please.
Okay, okay. How did you even get there? How did you get there? How did you get there?
I just fell.
What? That's impossible, bro.
At least I can change here.
That's impossible, bro. Stop the cap. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. Just got surprised by it. Come on. Wow! Well, how did you fall? No. Voila! I'm so jealous. I'm
Why?
really gonna ban you. Woo! Jadi bala ka dun.
Hey, boogie boom bum bum.
I'm gonna let everything open. I'm gonna lock you inside.
Please let me out.
I can't help you, but you need a ladder.
We can just teleport.
Nope. No can do. Just can't help you. How
Wow!
did you even fall? That's so
I just
strange.
fell.
That's so strange. How? You're like so small.
Hey, boogie boom bum bum.
Oh yeah, it's almost nighttime.
Please. Oh,
What? May pindot ka ba?
yes.
Kain man.
It was that button upside down.
Ano nga, ne?
Just fell down there.
Okay, wait.
And jump down.
Jump down.
Stop.
What?
Wait. And just do this. And just click this button to teleport.
Oh, wait. Let me do that.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the top stairs.
Okay. Wee. Okay, now I'm where's the safe? Where's the little safe? Oh, the safe is there. Okay, thanks.
What on it is that button? Okay. Oh wait, it's not night. It's night.
Now I'm stuck.
Just teleport that button.
Now I'm stuck because I can't get out because there's a wall blocking me. Needs to be 3-person.
So just click that button.
Side.
What on?
Side.
Okay. Just teleport. Conduct the course. Kunusin yun on the emotion on the... What the... Wow! Move here.
I'm here. Don't worry. I'm really scared.
Gemela ka. Gemendatan. Oh my god.
Come on, hurry up.
Wait, I'm hacking.
What? You're hacking what? What? Come on, I'll leave you there. robotic. I want it robotic.
Come here! What on earth?
Come on. Come on. Come on. What are you doing? What are you doing? Wait.
Here! Come here! Come here! Okay, let's go. Ghost busting. Your toxic effect!
Yeah. I'm just gonna fall in. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna pass through the plane. Even though this is
Sabi ka na.
sabi ka na sa Christmas party. Wait, I'm gonna go to school. Because I have
Mama!
tae. Tae.
Go.
Come on, let's go max speed. Come on.
Why?
55. Come on.
Mama, I don't want to go to school.
Who cares?
Mama.
If you don't want to go to school,
Mama.
then don't go to school. Just get punished and go grounded for a whole day. Wait, don't jump, don't jump. I'm gonna go upstairs. Whoa,
Why?
whoa, whoa, whoa. Hindi na ako motor.
Cool. Why? Ah, my blood! Mama, I don't want to go to school. Why? I don't want to go to school. Why? And the way, why no?
Oh, wala ka na.
Bye-bye! Ah! Wait. Baboy. Yeah, yan kami kuya na yan sa cleaners. Ito kami kuya. Uy, baboy!
Buboy baboy.
Buboy baboy.
Wala ka na doon. Wala